Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up a Windows 11 virtual machine using VirtualBox, perfect for testing new features or running apps safely without affecting your main system. We'll download everything needed, configure settings for smooth performance, and get it running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, ensure VirtualBox is installed on your computer. Open your web browser. Go to virtualbox.org, the official site. Click on Downloads, then select Windows Hosts to grab the latest version, which is 7.2.4 as of now. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file from your Downloads folder. You'll see the Welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox installer screen with a blue background and the VirtualBox logo on the left. Click Next to continue, accept the license agreement, then Next. In Custom Setup for Features, keep defaults and click Next. If missing dependencies appear for Python bindings, proceed with Yes if configuring later. Continue through prompts, click Install. Once complete, VirtualBox is set up for creating isolated VMs. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO file, which is the image we'll use to install the operating system in the virtual machine. Back in your browser, search for Windows 11 ISO. Click the top result from Microsoft.com to stay safe. Avoid any unofficial sites. I've linked it directly in the description, too. Scroll down to the section called Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO from the drop-down. Confirm, then choose your language, like English. Hit Confirm again and click the 64-bit download button. This file is large, so it might take a while depending on your internet speed. Grab a drink while it downloads. Once the ISO is ready in your Downloads folder, launch VirtualBox from your Start menu. If it's your first time, the machine list might be empty. That's normal. Click the New button to create one. Name it something clear, like Windows 11 VM. Leave the folder at default unless you want to change where files are stored. For the ISO image, click the drop-down and select Other. Navigate to Downloads, pick your Windows 11 ISO file, and click Open. VirtualBox should detect it as Windows 11 automatically. Under Edition, switch from Home to Pro if you prefer. It offers more features like advanced networking, but Home is fine for basics. Check the box for Unattended Installation to automate some setup steps. In the next screen, enter a username, like your name or something simple. Set a password. Keep it easy to remember for now. For product key, skip it or enter a generic one. You can activate later if needed. Set the host name without spaces, like Windows 11 VM. Also, check Install Guest Additions. This adds tools for better integration, like seamless mouse movement and full screen support. Now, configure the hardware. For memory, the minimum is 4 GB, but for better performance, especially with apps or multitasking, bump it up to 8 GB. That's 8,192 in the slider. Stay in the green zone to avoid slowing your main computer. For processors, set it to 4. This gives solid speed without overloading your host, assuming you have at least that many cores available. For the hard disk, create a new one. Windows 11 needs about 20 GB minimum, but extra space prevents running out quickly. Leave Pre-allocate full size unchecked for dynamic growth. It saves host space initially. Click Finish to create the machine. In the main VirtualBox window, select your new virtual machine and click Start. It'll boot from the ISO automatically. Press Enter when it prompts to boot from the virtual DVD. The setup will load. Give it time. If asked for a product key again, select I don't have one. Let it install. This can take 20 to 40 minutes with restarts. Be patient and don't interrupt. Once done, you'll see the Windows 11 desktop. To go full screen, click View in the VirtualBox menu, then Full Screen Mode, or press Right Control plus F. To exit, press Right Control plus F again, or hover at the bottom for the menu and click the full screen icon. Guest additions make this seamless, letting your mouse move freely between host and guest. If you run into setup errors, double-check your ISO download or host resources. That's it! You've created a Windows 11 virtual machine on VirtualBox the simple way. Drop a comment on how yours turned out, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay passionate about tech.